Hello, good morning everyone.
Morning.
So today we're in Laos. We're just a few kilometers outside Luang Prabang.
Yeah, and we just stopped for a little break and look at the view behind us. It's beautiful, beautiful rice fields, and we're gonna get going soon to one of the local waterfalls.
So let's go and have a look. We have made it to the Kouang Si Waterfall. Okay, so we're just at the main entrance. We've just paid our 20,000 kip each to come in, and then the waterfall looks a bit like this. So you start obviously by the road at the bottom, and then you can follow it up, and there's a pathway next to all these beautiful natural pools. We're going to go and look at number 3 is a bear rescue centre as well. Fantastic. You can see hopefully all the way up there. So we've walked up past all the little pools where people are swimming. So we're probably going to go up the path at the side, and then you get up to the top of the falls.
And later we're going to go back down for a little swim.
Okay guys, well that's the end of our little trip here to the waterfalls near Luang Prabang. We've had a great time, haven't we?
Yeah, it was amazing. We had to swim in that sparkling turquoise water, and went up to the top of the waterfall. Oh, it was amazing.
Epic climb. We recommend getting a scooter, and then you can stop on the way and you don't have to leave at any particular time. I think the park is open 8 till 5 o'clock, something like that. So,
yeah.
Alright, anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, yes, leave us a comment below, and yeah, we'll see you on the next adventure. Alright, bye!
Oh, you
still going?
Yeah.
Say what?
Oh, about the price of fuel. Oh, careful, there's a cow. Oh, there's not a cow.
Oh.